Hey, good morning. This next clip is me assembling the bottom end of the Corvette engine. Unfortunately, I lost some of the audio. Well, yesterday I couldn't find the cover for the timing chain, so I called it a night early. Didn't do the all-nighter like I was planning. Anyways, I got up this morning and had an epiphany. I went in to my Corvette and opened up the hood, and there it was sitting inside the hood, inside one of the fender wells. So I could have actually got further last night, but it's always better if have a reason to relax for a little bit to go ahead and do that. Anyways, I was able to get the gears on here, torque these down to 20 pounds, so it's 18 to 20 pounds. I went with 20 pounds, and then I have the lock. All right, now let's just back on up here for just a minute. Somebody forgot to tighten down the oil pump. That probably wouldn't have been so good. It's supposed to be torqued down to 60 pounds, which I just tightened by hand. That's a little tight. Wasn't off by much, but better safe than sorry. All right, one more time. Well, looky there. That's the second bolt I've broken off today. Apparently my torque wrench does not like the smaller pound increments. This was 18 foot-pounds, and it wasn't warning me at 18 foot-pounds, so I was over-tightening them. A couple of them it would warn me, and then some it just wouldn't, and just kept going and going. And with such a long arm on the torque wrench, you just can't feel how tight you're going. Anyways, yeah, I was able to take the oil pan back off, even though it was my last time putting it on. Um, and this guy came out all by itself, so just by finger loosening it. So that was pretty cool. Anyways, gonna repeat the process, put the oil pan back on for the last time. Well, looky what just showed up. Funny story is they actually sent me two of these, and I'm looking at these two pallets. I refused one. Looking at these two pallets and going, what the heck did I buy? This looks like two complete lifts. Well, I had to open this up to check, but this is in fact one entire lift. There's one post right there, one post right there. There's the controller. Then I have an oil drain, and this is a creeper. And I believe these are the frame cradle pad, and these are tall adapters for trucks. So for setting a truck up on it, the adapters give it an extra 3-inch lift. Anyways, fun. Now I can't park my car in here because I got to get this out of this crate. So probably something I need to work on today to get it off to the side. Anyways, still plugging away at the Corvette engine. Alright, so now I'm on day 3 of working on the Corvette engine. And as you know, I had some distractions of when my lift showed up and amongst some other things. And so I'm sitting here looking at the next things that need to get done on the project, and I find I'm missing the water pump gasket, and I wanted to replace the crank gasket that goes around the timing chain cover. So I went to AutoZone this morning and was going to buy the gasket for the water pump and the gasket for around the crank. And then I realized that I can get a chrome I can get a chrome timing chain cover that has the new gasket in it. It has a built-in gasket for the timing chain cover, and it has the water pump gasket. And so what I'm saying is, for the same price as 3 gaskets, I'm getting a little bling for my engine. So that's 3 birds, 1 stone. Anyways, I just thought that was cool. Bad news is I've already put the other one on and put a gasket maker on it. But I'm okay with that. I'll pull it off and it'll look pretty snazzy. As far as the Opal goes, I'm not sure what's going on with it. It hasn't ran right since I drove it out to the fairgrounds for the race the other weekend. I've got all the parts for it to help it pass tech, and I got a helmet, approved helmet for racing. So as soon as I figure out what's going on here, I'll go ahead and sign up for another race. The plan is to get the Corvette back together and possibly do the Opal. Well, that's it for now. I've got a little bit of engine work to do, waiting for a harmonic balancer, polar installer. I might have to go rent one. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel.